Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. It is I once again, Loeto Ronald Kenosi, and today I'll be presenting. The reason I should go to New York or to the Big Apple is because I have it. If I have something, I'm that generous enough to just share it with the people, showcase my talent to you, and just to prove to you that I got this. Ladies and gentlemen, yes, it is back. Gemstone Season 2. Exciting new lineup, brand new activities. We got models, we got actors, we got presenters. Today is gonna be epic. If you think you have it in you to just along those lines of modeling, acting, presenting, TV hosting, or acting, just come to us every Saturday, Cluster President Hotel, and just prove to the world that you got it in you. How many chances do we get to have an opportunity like this availed to us at ease? Just grab it with both hands and see you in New York. Just join us.